Hi, my name is Chuck Saul.
And I'm Dave Wood.
We are forestry technicians from Fleming College, and today we're going to talk to you about the difference between heartwood and sapwood in trees, and what does this mean for the wood buyer and user.
So let's start out by stating the difference between heartwood and sapwood. The sapwood in the tree is the part directly under the bark, as you can see here in this sample of tamarack. This is where the xylem and phloem is present in the tree and where the transfer of nutrients and water takes place. So when a tree is freshly cut, the sapwood is the soft, moist layer of wood directly under the bark, as you can see here.
So the heartwood then is the centermost part of the tree, and it is basically the dead or retired sapwood. The heartwood starts from the center of the tree, which is the pith, and goes outward. It has the same cell structural content as the sapwood, therefore it has no real structural difference. The only difference is aesthetic value and the color of the wood.
So when buying lumber, we usually receive cured plain finished boards. Since the wood is horizontally cut to get the greatest yield from the log, some boards have higher percentages of sapwood or heartwood. The disadvantage of kiln dried lumber is that the rapid drying process only dries the log down to 8 to 10% moisture content, and therefore if the wood is exposed to different humidity levels in the atmosphere, it can gain or lose moisture. This can potentially cause cracks or warps in the boards. Depending on the application, the heartwood or sapwood will be most desirable according to the buyer's preference in grain pattern and color of wood. So as you can see here in this black walnut, there is the very dark center, which would be, I guess, good for making tables or cabinets or anything that you can see, because it has the dark color and it'll have a nice grain pattern in there. And I guess it'll look better than the lighter wood on the outside. Sapwood.
So we hope that fulfills your informational needs on heartwood and sapwood, and thanks for watching.